Hi guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. My name is Thomas and this is Ardbeg, which I shall be enjoying during this unboxing. Cheers guys. Delicious. It's my favourite type of whiskey, Ardbeg. Right, so I got this in the mail recently and I'm pretty sure I know what it is. So let's dive right in. Whew. This is the third keyboard that I was going to review for these people. I've already unboxed two previous for them, but I didn't get to them. One of them is sitting right behind me actually, but I'll get to that in a bit. I've got a bit of a backlog from the block of ergonomic keyboards I reviewed recently, but I should be getting back in the swing of things soon enough. Right, so let's liberate this from all this bubble wrap. There you go, the Magcore 87 keyboard. Wow, this box did not look like what I thought it was going to look like. Okay, so this was sent in by Epomaker, who also sent in the Carbon 60 and that keyboard right over there that you can only just see a little corner of. Those will get reviewed before this one, I guess, but this one's quite different. So this uses, and I'm going to pull it up to the camera a little bit, hopefully you can read it, uses inductive switches. Now, inductive switches are kind of a novelty. They've been used on old keyboards as well. They use magnets just like Hall effect keyboards, but they operate using a fundamentally different way. They're quite different in many ways actually. So I don't know, maybe I'll do a review on the switches at some point as well, but in any case it's an interesting new switch design, so I figured, yeah, I definitely want to cover this. So what else does it say on here? Via software programmable, aluminium body construction, actuation adjustable for gaming, customizable RGB backlight. Yeah, that's all. Oh, that's interesting. It says 88 keys, Magcore 87. I guess the percentage is usually not the same as the amount of keys on the keyboard, which I always found weird. Blah, blah, blah. Epomaker, all rights reserved, blah, blah. Okay, so this doesn't tell me anything interesting. Let's just proceed with guying this box. Come on. Come on. There you go. Wow, it's heavy. It's quite heavy. So, the manual and the keyboard. And it looks like there's some stuff here at the back as well. A sneaky compartment here. I think that's it for the box. So let's see what is in here. Spacebar and some other keycaps. Allen key. Interesting. Very generic switch puller. It's not bad though. Whoa, okay, so nice. They included a few switches. That's very good. I'm very happy with that. Oh, wow, they look... Oh, wow! Damn, I'm already so happy that I asked for for this keyboard. Okay, so you know what a Hall effect switch looks like, right? You can see a little round button magnet usually at the bottom of the slider. Look at this motherfucker. It's got a sort of spike coming out of the bottom of it. Nice. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna do a switch teardown video on these. It's been a while since I've done one of them anyway. They look really funky other than that. Wow, really cool. Yeah, nice. I love interesting switch designs. I'm kind of a switch hound. So nice, that's really good. Then cable. Yeah, just standard USB cable, nothing else in this. And then let's get to the last course. Ooh. So I think I've seen these keycaps on one of their other keyboards. I think they were low profile though. Someone correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, but I think I reviewed a low profile keyboard of theirs that had very similar keycaps. So yeah, it's definitely aluminium housing. Looks very simple. Apart from those those weird keycaps then. So let's give it a short little run. See, where does the plug go? There you go. Interesting. So they it's kind of funky to see. It's going to be interesting to move it all the way up, but the light distribution pipe, which is quite broad, you can really see it very clearly through these shine through keycaps, and it looks very funky chicken. Interesting. And it also looks like it's got a small light bar here, but it's really dim. It's quite difficult to see. Other than that, I mean, it looks very modest, really. If you stick these keycaps on now, I know what these are. They're just non-shine through versions of these, really. Then it would look quite innocuous, I'd say. Nice, interesting. Yeah, there's going to be some some cool stuff to cover. I'll have to work out the technical details of how they make these work, because I've already reviewed inductive keyboards before, and I took them apart to show you exactly how they worked, because the PCB for that keyboard was very instructive as to how those switches worked. But this one, well, maybe I can open this as well. That's what the hex key, or the Allen key, is for, I guess. Yeah. So yeah, I guess you'll be seeing this at some point in the future again in a review, and yeah, I definitely want to have a look at the switches as well. Always cool to cover new stuff like this. I just like Epomaker's innovative side. You know, a lot of manufacturers just make the same old shit year in, year out, but Epomaker make some really funky crap, which I love. So yeah, nice, excellent. Anyway, I think I've been waffling for a while by now. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and you'll see me again in the next episode. Cheers, guys.